Hi everyone, my name is Manish and welcome to the channel. So a lot of question I have received, and in that question it has been asked that how much time will it take to get the DevOps job? Correct. So we will be talking about this particular topic throughout the video. That will be a 5 minutes video only. And the right question to the previous question, what we talked about, is that how much time will it take to learn the DevOps, or you should be prepared till the time. Like how much time will it take to become job ready for the DevOps, correct? So it all depends on the different parameters, like whether the market is down or it's up, in which location you are currently, like you are in the India or you are in the US. So whether investors are investing their money into the projects of the DevOps or not, like into the certain products, correct? It also depends whether your resume is ready or not, whether you are getting your enough number of calls from the recruiters or not. It also depends on your profiles, whether your Naukri profile is correct or not, with the, whether it's optimized or not. It also depends on your LinkedIn profile, how much network you do have, correct? How much networking you have established through within the organization, outside the organization, how much reference do you do have, and how much referral you are asking from the different recruiters or from the different persons over the LinkedIn or any other platforms, correct? It all depends on the different parameters. So let's talk about the how much time will it take to become DevOps job ready for you, correct? So for that step by step complete guide I have already uploaded on the channel that you can watch, and it's the detailed one. Even if you want to watch the content which is on the AWS cloud, which is on the other technical skills like the Terraform, the Docker, GitHub, and the CI/CD part, that is already uploaded on the channel that you can watch and you can prepare yourself. To answer your question, how much time will it take? If you are the one who is from the IT background itself, so for you, if you are switching your domain, like if you are from the Kiwi background, if you are from the test development background, and you are planning to move to the DevOps domain, correct? So for you, it will take around 3 to 4 months, because you had to understand the different terms which is being used in the DevOps. Like you might have worked with your development related code like the Java or the Python or the any different languages, correct? Even if you have worked with the testing, you might have worked with the Selenium or other black box testing kind of thing, correct? But here you also need to be familiar with the Kubernetes, the AWS cloud. Earlier you might have heard about the cloud, but here if you are switching to the DevOps, you should be aware about the cloud as well, correct? You should be aware about the Kubernetes as well. What is the Docker, what is the container, what is the image, what is cluster, and all these things. So for all these things you will be taking around 3 to 4 months at least. So whether where you will be job ready, where you will be prepared with the basics, where you will be prepared with all the information which is being asked in throughout the interview, that half an hour or 45 minutes of the interview, correct? If you are the one who is not from the IT background, like there are multiple subscribers on my channel as well who has transition themselves from the non-IT to IT. One of the example I will take that a person who has subscribed to the my channel is from the non-IT background, or even he is from the construction background itself. He is transitioning to the your you can say the DevOps world itself. So he has prepared himself. He is appearing for the interview, and one of his friends has also got the job itself in the DevOps domain. So it all depends on you, how much you practice, how much you learn. But if you, even if you are from the non-IT background and you go thoroughly through the content which are available on my channel or any other YouTube channel, you will take around 5 to 6 months to prepare yourself to get the enough number of calls, to prepare your resume as well, and to be job ready to get the job as well. Correct. So this will be the timeline. If you want any help on the resume side, how you can optimize resume or how you can optimize your profile, you can comment down, and I'll be happy to answer that as well. The last hint I'll be leaving for you, like how can you get the enough number of calls from the different recruiters? Optimize your LinkedIn profile, optimize your Naukri profile. There, put your notice period as down as you can. Like if you have 90 days of notice period, you can just put it 60 days or 30 days. And whenever you receive the calls, you can directly tell the recruiter that I do have this certain number of notice period day, and I can talk to my reporting manager or to the HR to reduce the number of notice period, and that is possible. So there are multiple ways. If you want, if you are interested on these hints as well, you can leave the comment on this particular video. I'll be happy to create that particular video as well. So thank you. Stay tuned with the channel and subscribe to the channel for more such technical content and guidance related to the DevOps world. Thank you.